Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Lay the phone face up on a clean, flat surface to prevent dust intrusion. Once placed, wash your hands thoroughly so oils don't transfer. Use the alcohol wipe to remove fingerprints and oils, then dry with the microfiber cloth. This improves adhesion and prevents bubbles. Next, use the dust sticker to pick off any remaining particles. Inspect at an angle. Make sure to keep the tempered glass backing on and align cutouts to the phone's camera and sensors before proceeding. Once aligned, peel the backing a little. Don't remove it all at once, and hold the protector by its edges so you don't touch adhesive. Position the top edge first, align cutouts precisely, then gently lower the rest using gravity to avoid lateral movement. If you have an alignment frame or guide stickers, use them now to achieve millimeter accuracy. This reduces reworks. As the glass contacts the screen, a natural suction will start. Make sure it seats evenly before pressing out air toward the nearest. After the protector settles, press the center to start full adhesion, then use a credit card wrapped in microfiber to push residual bubbles toward the nearest edge. This prevents scratches. If you spot a dust speck under the glass, lift the nearest edge slowly, use the dust sticker to remove it, and reseat the glass. This preserves alignment. Make sure edges are flush. If an edge lifts slightly, warm your fingers and press firmly or apply low. Even heat to reactivate the adhesive and secure a lasting bond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.